The tech cable curve can be found under SASSE Library, Assets, Draw Curves. We can drag and drop it into our scene. It has an end cap collection, so we can supply an object that will appear on both ends of the curve. We have a line spacing option that controls where these lines appear. Curve resample size determines how detailed our curve is going to be, or undetailed, as the case may be. Curve resolution is, again, that circle around the curve, so it's how much geometry the curve has around it. And that will also be controlled by the subdivision level, because we have 3 points on our curve, but as you can see, we don't have a triangular mesh here. It's a circular mesh because it's being subdivided. So we've got curve radius, and we have, again, like the others, it's a multi-strand, so we can disable that. And then we have this controlling the thickness of the curve, or we can enable it, and it will control the spacing between the various curves. We can twist them around one another, we can lower the count, and change the color.